Today, let's walk through Facebook business settings for beginners, especially if you're just starting to manage a Facebook business page in 2025. Business settings is the control center where you manage your page, permissions, security, and connected assets. Understanding how this area works is important because it helps keep your page organized, protected, and ready for growth. Even if you're new, the setup is simple once you know what each section does. First, business settings allows you to manage page roles and permissions. This is where you decide who can access your page and what actions they're allowed to take. As a beginner, always assign roles carefully. For example, you may give yourself full access as the admin and assign limited permissions to team members, editors, or assistants. This prevents mistakes and keeps your page secure. If someone no longer works with you, you can easily remove their access from the same section. Another important area is security and login protection. Business settings allows you to turn on two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of safety to your account. This helps prevent unauthorized access and protects your page from being hacked. As a beginner, this step is highly recommended. You can also review active sessions and devices to make sure only you or trusted members are logged in. Next, let's talk about connected accounts and assets. In business settings, you can link your Instagram account, your WhatsApp number, and your ad account. This allows you to manage everything in one place: comments, messages, ads, and content. For beginners, connecting these accounts makes posting easier and helps you stay consistent across platforms. You can also manage your pixels and catalogs here if you plan to run ads or sell products online. Another helpful section is notifications and alerts. You can customize the updates you receive, such as messages, new followers, page activity, and performance insights. Setting notification preferences helps you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. As a beginner, it's good to start with essential alerts, like new messages or comments, so you can respond quickly and provide good customer service. Lastly, business settings helps you manage privacy and page information. You can review your page's details, update your business category, edit your contact information, and adjust your visibility preferences. Keeping your page information accurate helps customers trust your brand and makes your page look professional. Understanding the basics of Facebook business settings gives you more control and confidence as you manage your page. Once you get familiar with these tools, everything becomes much easier, from posting content to keeping your page safe and organized. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more beginner-friendly tutorials just like this.